I'm P. Madhava, lecturer in physics in continuation of our video lectures. Thermodynamics, we are going to solve problems now. Now, some relations, small equations we have to remember. Gamma. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv, where gamma is ratio of specific heats. Gamma for monoatomic gas. Gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by F. F is degree of freedom. 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3 you have for monoatomic gas. Gamma for diatomic gas is, gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by 5, degree of freedom 5. So it is 7 by 5. You remember this, important. And next, Cp-Cv relations. Cp is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1. Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. This relation also we are going to use. Okay. Now in this first problem, an ideal monoatomic gas is taken round the cycle, A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A as shown in PV diagram. Then calculate work done during the cycle. Area under the curve only work done. Clockwise work done positive, anti-clockwise negative. So A, B, C, D, A along this path, clockwise direction is going. The values are here, PV, here 2P and V, here 2P, 2V, here P, V, P and 2V. Change in volume is V, change in pressure is P. So work done is what? Change in pressure and change in volume. P into V is the work done. P into V is the work done. P delta we will write. P into V is the work done here in this case. Okay, simple question. Now second problem. Second problem is efficiency. When ideal diatomic gas is heated at constant pressure. The fraction of heat energy supplied to increase the internal energy. Now here, to increase the internal energy, Now du by dq you have du is equal to ncv dt you have dp is ncv dt, but you know gamma for diatomic gas how much? 7 by 5. So here this value is 7 by 5. So you'll get 5 by 7. This is the answer. Gamma is equal to 5 by 7. Gamma is 7 by 5. So reverse will get. Yeah. CV by CP. CV by CP will be how much? 5 by 7. Okay. This is another problem. This is heat energy supply increase the enthalpy. Now next, 1 mole of, third problem, 1 mole of ideal gas needs 50 calories of heat energy to raise the temperature by 10 degrees centigrade at constant pressure Here in this R is equal to 2 calories. R value is 2 calories per gram. 2 calories energy. Calorie per gram of R value. Find the heat energy required for same rise at constant volume. You know, dq is equal to, you got ncp dt. dq is equal to ncp. How much energy you are given? 50. Number of moles 1. Cp. dt how much? 10. Cp is equal to 5 we got. You know, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This is first step. This is second step. Now, you know, Cp is 5 minus Cv is equal to 2. Cv is equal to 3 calories. You know, du is equal to ncv dt. N is 1. 3 into 10 for same rise of temperature. So, du how much here you get? 30 calories. Important. This is the answer. 30 calories. This is first step, this is second step. Okay. This is second problem. Same heat energy. It is required for same rise in the constant volume. At constant pressure means you should do dq is equal to ncb dt. Constant volume means you should do ncv dt. You know, Cp minus C is equal to R. It is given in calories, so it is 2 calories. Okay. Now next one. Next we have the work of third problem. The work of 146 kilojoules is performed in order to compress compress 1 kilomole of gas. 1 kilomole means 1000 moles. Kilomole of gas of gas adiabatically. And in this process, the rise in temperature is 7 degrees centigrade, and R value 8.3 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay. Now here, you have to identify then identify the gas. Identify the gas. A, monoatomic. A is monoatomic. B is diatomic. C, it is polyatomic. D, none. So you need to calculate which gas is it like. Du is equal to adiabatically performed. Adiabatic process means dq 0. du plus dq is equal to du plus dw. Work done, that is dq is equal to dw minus 1. So d is what? You can write dw or dq is equal to dw. Both are same. So you can write ncv dt. How much energy? 140 kilojoules. Number of moles 10 to the power of 3. Rise in temperature 7. CV. So here, if you cancel out CV, you are going to get as 20.9 like this. Joules. Unit you can take CPCV units, joule per kg per Kelvin like this you have. Okay. Now for monoatomic gas, what is CV? CV is R by gamma minus 1. For monoatomic gas, R by monoatomic 5 by 3, that is 3R by 2. R is 8.3 by 2, that is here 4.15. This is roughly you are getting 12 point, more than 12 you are getting. 4 3s are 12, more than 12 you are getting. Here you got 20. CV is 20 you should get. Now CV for, you will take for diatomic gas. For diatomic, how much you are getting? R by gamma minus 1. This is checking, most important. It is like testing how to, based on all formulas you need to work out. This is 7 by 5 minus 1. 8.3 into 5 by 2. So 4.15. Almost it is 20 only. So 20 means what? Here also 20 you got. So it is a diatomic gas. It is diatomic gas. Here he is checking, first law of thermodynamics you are using. Next you are using this CP-CV relation. Almost half of the concepts of thermodynamics is covered here. Okay, these model problems you try. Okay, thank you.